On the first black and white picture, Egyptian pyramid. The next two photos are the Tsar's Mound tomb in the city of Kerch. Each slab and blocks are laid without any mortar and with a minimum error of a few millimeters. It is still a mystery who was the builder of this masterpiece, because no artifacts have been found, which would at least shed some light on this mystery. Both of these structures are very ancient, and it's not a case of, we looked at it and did the same thing. This is a clear trace of a past, most likely a single civilization on the entire planet, an eye that goes unnoticed. In front of you is the oldest geological formation, about 600 million years old. Moreover, this eye is perfectly visible from space. In orbit, it is used as a landmark. The official version says that this is an ordinary erosion of a section of the Earth's mountain. Pictured is a 16C ring from Mongolia. It is a miracle of jewelry art when heated metal was poured into a processed solid emerald. But this technology of making rings was known long before the 16th century and far from the mentioned Mongolia. On the territory of Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, and Brazil, to date found 8 similar rings from different stones with gold poured inside, created in 1000 BC. But if the study of the ring 16V scientists were clear, here are traces of heating, here are traces of processing. The study of the rings of Indians gave a strange result. Under the microscope, it became obvious that the stones were not subjected to temperature influence, i.e., gold was not poured into the prepared stone. Then how was it possible to plant the inner ring in the stone? These are 3 giant stones in the wall of the Temple of Jupiter at Baalbek. The blocks lie at a height of 7 mirn, each pebble weighing about 1,000 tons. The Roman bureaucracy was known for its meticulousness in documenting any construction projects, but despite this, there is no record of the extraction or transportation of blocks of such enormous size. There were no technical means to accomplish such a task. How then was this unique structure erected? Impossible. Ranakpur Temple. The entire temple and all the elements are made in marble. The material is not easy to work with. Any movement can simply destroy an entire column. There are 1,404 columns in this very temple. Each one is unique. That is, the columns were not repeated, they were all different. And some of the columns reach a height of 12 meters. Officially, it was built by 4 people in 50 years. But how is that possible?